Hey there everyone, welcome to this lecture. Now before we go ahead and create a repository on Beanstalk and push our code here, we have this EC2 instance which we have created in the previous two videos is already up and running. Now what is this EC2 instance? Now EC2 instance basically works on the concept of virtualization. Consider it as a virtual machine hosting an operating system which you have selected during the creation of that instance. In our case, we have selected an Ubuntu operating system. So it is doing is basically it has created a virtual machine which is hosting a Ubuntu operating system. And where is this virtual machine running? It is running in this region, basically North Virginia. Here we can see that. Now the question arises how we can connect to this system. Now whenever we run this command ssh and the key pair which we have downloaded, what it does is basically it tunnels in. The SSH tunneling works. So basically if we hit enter, we are basically connecting to that virtual machine which is running somewhere on the cloud through our local computer. So if we will be running any command on local computer, it will be actually running on the server. Here you can see that it's already connected. So now comes the concept of security groups. We have created one security group. So what are these security groups? Why they are used? So AWS security groups are nothing but they are the security protocols. Consider it like a firewall, and these are the set of rules that filters our incoming traffic and the outgoing traffic. So basically these are just the rules which are used to protect your EC2 instance so that the useless traffic cannot enter the EC2 instance and breach our security. So now the concept of EC2 and the security group is clear. Now we can go ahead and create a repository on Beanstalk. So in the next lecture, we will create a repository on Beanstalk and we will be getting started with it. Thank you.